Hi everyone and namaste to all. Whoever is happy makes other happy. The, the happiness in your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. We will not achieve happiness by simply enjoying uh, the pleasure of the moment. It is easy enough to see that we all desire pleasure, money, honor, because we believe that these things make us happy, and other goods are meant towards obtaining happiness, while happiness is always and in itself. Aristotle tells us that the most important factor in the effort to achieve happiness is to have a good moral character. This is C.V. Homanto. Today I am going to talk about Aristotle, pioneer of happiness. Happiness is the purpose and meaning of our life. Happiness depends on ourselves more than anybody else. Aristotle enshrines that happiness as a central purpose of human life and goal in itself. In this way, he gives more space to the topic of happiness than other thinkers uh, prior to modern era. The school of Aristotle is in Macedonia, living during the same period as Mencius, but on the other side of the world, he draws some conclusion that happiness depends on the cultivation of virtue, though his virtues are somewhat more individualistic than essentially the social virtues of Confucian. Yet, as we shall see, that Aristotle was convinced uh, the happiness, the genuinely the happiness requires the broad range of conditions, physical as well as mental well-being. In this way, he introduced the idea of science of happiness in a classical sense, in terms of area of knowledge. Aristotle argues that the virtue can be achieved by maintaining the mean, which is the axis between two balances, and the doctrine of mean is the reminiscent of the middle path of Buddha. Aristotle was the founder of the Lyceum, the first scientific institute based in Greece, Athens, uh, along with his teacher Plato, who was the strongest advocate of the liberal arts education. Aristotle was the first to classify the areas of human knowledge into distinct disciplines such as biology, mathematics, ethics, some of which are still relevant today, such as species genus system taught in biology classes. Uh, For Aristotle, friendship is the most important virtue, achieving the goal of happiness, eudaimonia. There are different kinds of friendship uh, that is based on virtue, and highest is based on the uh, virtue that depends on uh, the friends uh, who thinks best for their friends, uh, and Aristotle calls it the complete sort of friendship between the people who are good and alike in virtue. This type of friendship is long lasting and uh, tough to obtain, because these type of people are hard to come by, and it takes a lot of work to have a complete virtuous friendship. And Aristotle notes that you cannot have a large number of friends because of the amount of time and care a virtuous friendship requires. It is not something like that it can be gained or lost in a few hours, like a pleasurable moments. And the happiness is often, especially in modern America, is often conceived as the subjective state of mind, where one says that one is happy when one is enjoying a cool beer on a hot day, and one is out having fun with one's friends. Uh, for Aristotle, however, happiness is a final end or goal which encompasses the totality of one's life. And developing a good character is having a strong will to do a right thing even in a difficult situation. And another example is the taking of drugs. Uh, in these days, one of the favorite is the chitta among the young generation, which is becoming a problem in our society day by day. For fairly a small price, one can take off their mind, take of their problems, and experience deep euphoria, uh, popping up oxycontin pills and snorting some cocaine and injecting this cheetah, uh, and uh, this short-term pleasure will lead to a longer-term pain, and a few hours later you may feel miserable and you need more drugs to take, and which becomes the never-ending spiral of need. And relief addiction inevitably drains your funds and provides uh, a burden to your friends and family. And all those virtues of generosity, temperance, courage, friendship, which make a good life, appears to be conspicuously absent in uh, one life because use of drugs in one's life.